Hello and welcome to this first edition of 5-minute features in Databricks. We're going to be taking a look at Unity Catalog Lineage and Bring-Your-Own-Lineage today. All right, so to take a look at this, I've set up a demo notebook. So we're going to be setting up a couple of tables with some regular lineage, and then we're going to dive into the external lineage setup using the Databricks API afterwards. To do this, you need to be either a Metastore admin or have this create external metadata permission. That's why it most likely does not work for you in Databricks Free, because you don't have those kind of permissions. All right, so as a prerequisite here, I've set up a Databricks host to use for my API as well as a PAT token. You need to do that. Then we're just going to create a bit of demo data. We're going to be using the TPCH sample data. And we're basically just going to set up a bronze, silver, and gold table. The bronze tables are one-to-one copies from TPCH. Silver are a couple of views, and then we're going to be doing an aggregation in gold on top. Once we have that set up, we're going to be diving into the external lineage. We're going to be setting up two different kinds of external lineage. One on the source side, a makeshift CRM system, and then one on the analytics side, which is going to be a Power BI dashboard. On the source side, we're going to be using column-based lineage. So we're basically saying that we have a CRM system that has these three columns. We're going to set that object up. And then we're going to be setting up a sales dashboard, which is just an object-based lineage type, which does not have column-based tracking. So we're going to set that up. And then once we have those two objects set up, we're going to be connecting them to some actual tables inside of the system. So first off, we're going to be setting up a connection between our CRM system and our bronze data. So basically some source side data. We're going to be connecting the ID from our CRM system to our customer key in the sample data, and so on and so forth with the other three objects. And then on the analytics side, we're basically going to say that our gold revenue by customer, our aggregated data, is going to feed into this sales dashboard in Power BI. All right, so first things first, we're going to go in here and we're going to search out our demo catalog. We're going to pop that open and we're going to go into lineage and we're going to see all of our bronze, silver, and gold tables. So if I go to the bronze customer table, I can click on the lineage tab over here and I can see that there's been some stuff happening on the lineage. If I go see my lineage graph, you'll see over here that I have my sample data. It's still connected to that because that's the actual source. You also see the CRM system over here. And if I press the ID column here, you'll see that that's actually connected to my customer key. Then that feeds into my silver table. I can expand the lineage in this direction and I can see my gold table. I can also expand my gold table back and see, oh, there's one more silver table. There's actually some more bronze data going on over here. I can also expand this. So I can actually dot it all together. And if I then go on my gold side over here and expand my lineage, I'll see my sales dashboard, which is noted with a Power BI icon over here. So this is the external lineage. This is how you can connect lineage to external sources. And you'll see over here in the external data tab of my Catalog Explorer as well that I have a sales dashboard in Power BI and I have a CRM system. So this is actually how you can bring lineage in from both the sources and systems outside of Databricks and connect your full landscape to the existing lineage inside of Unity Catalog. So I initially showed you how to register it using the API over here, but actually you can also press the Create External Metadata button over here. You can actually register a system in the UI. Similarly, if you go on one of the systems I've already registered, so the sales dashboard, for example, you can see a bit of an overview of what it is. You can see who has permissions to see it. And you can also go to the lineage tab and you can actually see what kind of lineage objects are already connected to, in this case, your sales dashboard. You can go back to the lineage graph from here as well, so the exact same view you just saw. And you can also create lineage relationships to new objects. So basically the other half of what we did using the API, right? So you can also create both upstream relations and downstream relations from in here. You can also see the actual JSON output that is similar to what we are inputting to the API over here. So that's lineage in Unity Catalog. It's Bring Your Own Lineage, and it's in about 5 minutes. Is it a feature you're using on your solutions? Then I would love to know what you think of it, and of course, would also love to know what you think of this new little format. Is it something you would like to see continuing? Until next time, have a nice day.